In the Matthew Perry overdose case, Ketamine Queen enters a guilty plea. A woman known as the Ketamine Queen has entered a guilty plea to distributing the drugs that murdered Matthew Perry, an actor from Friends. On Wednesday, 42-year-old Jasveen Sangha entered a guilty plea to 5 charges in Los Angeles, including 1 count of supplying ketamine that caused death or serious harm. 9 criminal charges were first brought against the American-British dual national. Her Los Angeles house was referred to by federal authorities as a drug-selling emporium, after a raid turned up dozens of ketamine vials. In October 2023, Perry was discovered dead in his Los Angeles home's jacuzzi. An investigation revealed that the acute effects of ketamine were the cause of his death. Sangha, who is in federal jail, will have a sentencing hearing in Los Angeles on December 10th. In August, a few weeks before her trial was scheduled to begin, Sangha consented to amend her plea after first rejecting the allegations. She is one of 5 individuals, along with medical professionals and the actor's assistant, who U.S. investigators claim provided Perry with ketamine, taking advantage of his drug addiction for financial gain, and causing his overdose death. They include Eric Fleming, who supplied ketamine to Perry that he had obtained from Sangha; Kenneth Iwamasa, who was Perry's live-in assistant and assisted in buying and injecting the actor with ketamine; and Drs. Salvador Plasencia and Mark Chavez, who also sold ketamine. The other 4 have likewise consented to enter guilty pleas to the case's accusations. In November and December, they will get their sentences at various times. According to the Justice Department, Sangha could get a maximum sentence of 65 years in federal prison. The U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, states that ketamine is a dissociative anesthetic with some hallucinatory effects. The person may feel disengaged and powerless, and their experience of sight and hearing may be distorted. Because it causes patients to feel disconnected from their pain and surroundings, it is utilized as an injectable anesthetic for both humans and animals. Officials stress that only a doctor should provide the medicine, and that because of its potential side effects, individuals who have taken it should be closely watched by a specialist. Hollywood's ketamine drug network, which one doctor referred to as the Wild West, in an interview with the BBC, was revealed by Perry's death and the investigation into how he acquired so much of the drug over several years. According to the court department, Sangha also entered a guilty plea to supplying ketamine to Cody McClory in August 2019, who passed away from a drug overdose just hours after the transaction. According to an indictment filed by federal investigators, Sangha has been distributing ketamine from her stash house in North Hollywood since at least 2019. She allegedly worked with high-end clientele and celebrities. Before her arrest in March 2024, a search revealed thousands of tablets containing cocaine, Xanax, and methamphetamine, as well as more than 80 vials of ketamine. One of Sangha's pals told the Daily Mail that she went to the Oscars and Golden Globes, indicating that she socialized with celebrities. Her lavish lifestyle, complete with parties and vacations to Mexico and Japan, was portrayed on social media.